please.
Yeah.
We have to clean the customer only. All other are cleaned already.
Just the customer one. Okay.
You can think how many employees are there. First of all, find out that, because number of employees, how many, accordingly you will do the employee performance. You have only 9 employees.
Oh, not
So
so
fine.
bad.
So you can think about, we have a 9 unit to be check the performance of these 9 people.
Gotcha.
The first thing that you can check, who is good in sales. So you can create a chart which is an clustered chart of all these 9 employee. How much sale they have done. So do you have sale column with you?
Would it
Do you have
be
sale with you?
wouldn't it be through the order details?
There is a sale amount. Sale amount is not with you. You have to create the sale amount. You have to go to the order detail, open it, order detail, order detail. Now create here, not employee, order detail. You create here a new column. That is total sale. Unit multiply by quantity. The name of the column you can write here as in total sale. So sometime we need to create that measures, because that measure is not, this measure is not available, or that calculated column is not available. Now we have this. Now close this. Now go to the Power View. Create a clustered bar chart, clustered bar chart. Yes, this one. Click here. So make it a small, bit big. Yes, not much, not much. This one is enough. So take the employee name into the access. Employee name. Yes, first name into the access. Drag properly, otherwise you will get your. So you get the first name, and then put go to the order detail and take the total sale into the value column. So now here you can see who is doing better and who is doing not. So this chart tells you na, who is doing better in comparison to. Just hide the filter also. Filter is not required. You will get a more space for the data.
The what? I'm sorry.
The filter, this filter.
Oh, that.
Yes, hide this. No, you will get more. So you are getting the name of the employee and their sale. So if you want to customize that according to you, you want to show some amount, you can show that.
Gotcha.
It is coming in million. It is coming in million. To go to the data label because it is 0 point something. So make it something else in maybe thousands. That will be good for you. Now this is better amount. No, it's an easy amount to understand. Now the next thing, they have done the sale according to their performance. So we can see there who is a number one employee in terms of sales.
Right.
Who is number one employee?
Oh, Margaret.
Margaret. Now we need to create an filter for the year so that we can check in which year who is better. If we talk about year wise.
Year. Okay.
To create a slicer of year. So I'm just telling you how to create a dashboard. No, not just select outside. Control Z. Yeah. Come out. Yes. Now create a slicer. Then take an year from the order. We have an order date. The date hierarchy. There is an year. Drag the year into the field. So you get that. You can create a drop down also for that if you want. No, this one is good, but you can have a drop down. You click on this arrow at the top, make a drop down. So you have a list option. So there are three. So better is not to create drop down, create a list. Create a list. Click on to that. There are three value only. So that is a better. Make it a small and take to the top. So all slicer must be at the top. Yes. Now click on 1996. So in that again this is top. 1997 again this is top. 1998. Some other people is top at 1998. You can see that.
Yeah.
So this is actually analysis for year wise. Fine. Now in which country you sold the data? So you are good in which country? So if I want a country wise data for these employee.
Oh, you'd use the map. Right.
You can use a map.
Let's see here. City.
So I hope you understand this. I just do one thing. I create a one dashboard and then publish it. Then you practice on your machine. I'm just giving you all the idea. I think that is a better approach.
Yeah.
Fine. You just stop sharing, I'll share my screen to you.
No, it's not it.
So let's suppose again we have an employee performance. I just take the employee data from here. I do not have the order detail. So this is the best practice. You go to the order detail. In a very quick time, I'll just create a small thing. Total sales. And what is that? It is unit price multiplied by quantity. So we need to less the discount also. We just click on to the bracket minus this value multiply by the discount. So I am just reducing the discount out of there and I am creating a total sale. After discount, you have this amount. So in case you have a discount in somewhere, you will get a value different. So this value had all zeros. So increase the zeros, not decrease this in percentage. So we have a percentage wise. So we'll get that. No, it's visible. So my total sale is there. I just go to the visual part. My small requirement is I again create a clustered chart. I take this chart at the bottom. I just use the employee name and the total sale. So my first chart is ready as I discussed with you. Fine. And I want to give a legend called with employee name to make this more beautiful. So that legend is coming here. Fine. And I'll just make the chart more visible. Legend not required. I want a different color. This y-axis is not required. I am going to show the data label. Fine. Then we are coming to the title. So title is there, but title should come into the center. And what title we are looking for is total sale by employee name. So that is my small chart which is ready, and we can easily find this chart very meaningful. Now I am taking about there we have what that we have a region. So region wise employee detail. So what is the performance in the region wise? I'll take a pie. Fine, I'll take a region into the legend. So this region is coming, and then I'll take the employee name at there, and depending upon where, depending upon the total quantity sold. We can take anything. I can go there. What is the quantity? You can also take the sale or quantity, whatever you want. So you have these two information. You have these two region. When you click on to this and when you click on this, the employee of this region will apply. So in this, I'll just go to the data label and I'll take the category and the percentage. I don't want legends. Legends will occupy the space. So again, one more chart which will help me to work with this. So I just up it. It is the all region data. So this is a blank region or this is the whatever. Now I'll just take a small slicers. So I take the slicers. Which slicer I just create? I take the slicer on the employee country. So we have UK and US. So I take this two country slicer with us by making it a bigger one so that it is visible to us. That is the most important thing when you are creating. It is taking the default size, which is good, but we need to take care with this. So this is a better. It's a country one. Then which country? When I click on UK, so all UK employees are coming. When I click on US, all US details are coming. This is an then I take some, like, do we have a period? Date of birth is not actually the parameter to do that. Reports to. So we have a manager wise employee detail. No, we'll take a tree map. I'll just take a tree map here. So in tree map, I'll just take two reports to in the group, and I'll take the total sale according to the manager. So these are the manager who is taking care, and which manager is performing well.
Andrew Fuller.
Yes, Daniel, are you? Yes. So here we have a drill. Who is the employee for them? So I take the first name, just report to next. So if you click on to this, who are all are the employee under this? You click on this. These all are the employee under this, and these are their performances.
Gotcha.
Now, if you want to, if you want to take, let's suppose, product wise. Actually, what is the trend about product wise? You can even take them category and product. No, so I'm just taking 2-3 charts, not much chart here. I take one more slicer here. That slicer I'll just take for time. What exactly we have? We have order detail. In order we have a yes. So I'll take the year here. We have 3 years only. So we just click on this. We have an option. We just take a list and make it a big one. That's it. I'll just take. We can go whatever we can add. We require time basically to develop this, but I'm taking a small one. So here we have year-wise slicer. So I created a very small and very easy one for the employee performance. So what is the employee performance for that? So if I'll move down, so again in 7 also he is doing good. So these are all year-wise performance for the manager-wise, employee-wise, region-wise, country-wise, year-wise. These all informations are coming. Now, if you create a sales report, fine. So sales report can be on which category we are selling with the good one. So I can take which one? I can take a pie also to see the category. To see the category. So take the category name into the legend. And under this category, which product we sold. And what is the total sale for category wise. So again, you can format it legend off and go to the label. The best label I prefer is the category and the percentage. And when you click here and you drill through, you will get the data. It's a previous one we have. So this is a category wise sale. So I can make here a label as a title.